I hope you are fine and taking good care of yourselves and staying at home. Let's watch a video and learn some proper hand washing techniques to stay protected.
More memorable for little hands. So wet those hands and apply some soap. It's time for my big song.
Rub the palms, 1, 2. Rub the knuckles, 1, 2. Rub the insides of your fingers and the back of them too. Rub the thumbs, 1, 2. And the nails, 1, 2. Now time to rinse. Happy clean hands for you.
So today's session is about lesson 16.4, same perimeter, different area, and we are going to cover page number 865 to 878. Your homework is assigned on Pearson online, so just log into your Pearson account to do your homework. So by the end of today's lesson, you will be able to understand the relationship of shapes with same perimeter but different area. Okay, so let's watch a video and learn about the relationship of shapes with same perimeter and different area. Watch the video very carefully and then we will solve problems related to this.
Can rectangles have different areas but the same perimeter? Let's find out. Beth, Marcia, and Nancy build rectangular pens for their rabbits. Each pen has a perimeter of 12 feet. Which rectangular pen has the greatest area? What information are you given?
Okay, so just try to recall what did we learn about finding the area. How we were supposed to find area of different shapes. Excellent, by multiplying the sides given to us. So let's have a look on this pink rectangle. So quickly tell me, what is the area of this pink rectangle? Excellent, it's 5. So what is the area of this orange rectangle? Very good. It's 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. And what about the purple one? Very good. It's 9. So, which of these shapes have the biggest area? Excellent. The square, the purple one, is having the biggest area.
You are given the dimensions of 3 different rectangular pens. What are you asked to find? You are asked to find the rectangular pen with the greatest area.
Drawings help you see how the rectangles are similar and different.
Let's look at Beth's plan for a pen. Find the perimeter. P equals 5 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 equals 12 feet. How are perimeter and area different?
So, how is perimeter and area different? Quickly, students. While finding the perimeter, what we have to do? Excellent, we are adding all the 4 sides. While finding the area, very good, we are multiplying. Excellent.
Perimeter is a measurement of distance around a figure. Area is a measurement of the space inside a figure. To find the area, multiply the number of rows by the number of square units in each row. A equals 1 times 5 equals 5 square feet. Beth's pen has an area of 5 square feet. Next, look at Nancy's plan for a pen. Find the perimeter. P equals 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12 feet. Find the area. A equals 2 times 4 equals 8 square feet. Nancy's pen has an area of 8 square feet. How does the area of this pen compare to the area of the first pen? The area of this pen is greater than the area of the first pen. Now look at Marcia's plan for a pen. Find the perimeter. P equals 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12 feet. Find the area. A equals 3 times 3 equals 9 square feet. Marcia's pen has an area of 9 square feet. Marcia's pen has the greatest area. Why are the number of rows and the number of square units in each row the same? They are the same because this rectangle is a square. Which pen shape has the greatest area?
So which pen shape has the greatest area? We calculated at the beginning of this video. Quickly tell me. Excellent. The square has the greatest area, which is 9 square feet.
The square pen shape has the greatest area. Now you know how to compare rectangles that have different areas but the same perimeter.
Okay, so you have watched the video. Now quickly tell me that the polygons with same perimeter may have different area or they always have the same area. Excellent, they can have different area. Now let's solve a problem related to this. Draw two different rectangles with a perimeter of 10 units. So we have to draw the rectangles and we have to draw the squares by keeping in mind that the perimeter must be 10 units. Then find the area of each rectangle, compare the areas, solve this problem any way you choose. Now let's draw two different rectangles. And now I have two rectangles on my screen. Now let's find out the perimeter of this first one. Now quickly tell me, how can I find perimeter? Excellent. We have to multiply all the sides. So what about this side? What is the measurement of this side? Excellent. It's 1 unit because this is 1. And in rectangles, the opposite sides are very good, parallel to each other. So this side will be excellent 4. So here I have written an equation for the perimeter. Now quickly calculate and tell me the sum. Very good. The perimeter of this shape is 10 units. Now let's find out the perimeter of the second shape. So quickly tell me, what is the equation? Excellent. 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. Now quickly tell me the sum. Very good. It's 10 units. Now you can see the perimeter of two shapes is same, 10 units and 10 units. Now quickly tell me, according to video, the area of these two shapes will be same or it can be different. Excellent, it can be different. Now let's find out the area for this shape. So how I'm going to find the area? What I have to do? Excellent. I have to multiply the sides given to me. So here I have my equation for area. Now what is the product? Very good. It's 4 square units. Excellent. Now let's find the area for this rectangle. What is my equation? Very good. 3 times 2. And the product is? Excellent. 6 square units. So the perimeter for both shape is? Very good. 10 units. It's the same. And what about area? Excellent. It is different. Okay, so next page, question 1. In the problem on page number 866, what do you notice about the area of rectangles as the shapes become more like a square? So this problem is related to these shapes, which we have seen in video as well. So what did you notice about the area? As you move from pink shape, then to orange and then purple, what is the difference in the area? Is it increasing? Is it decreasing? Excellent. The area increases. Very good. Okay, question 2. Austin is building a rabbit pen with 25 feet of fence. What are the dimensions of the rectangle he should build to have greatest possible area? So now we have to think of the length of this of the rectangles which he has to use to make a fence, but what is given to us that the total is 25, and here the greatest possible area, I can see the keyword area in question. So first of all, quickly tell me, when we are finding the area, what we are doing, we are adding or we are multiplying? Excellent. We are multiplying 4 sides or the 2 sides? Excellent. The 2 sides given to us, we will multiply the sides and get our area. So now we have number 25 in the question. So quickly think of a number which when you will multiply, you get the product of 25. The two numbers when multiplied together, the product is 25. Excellent. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 feet. So the dimension of his rectangle will be 5 feet by 5 feet. We can also draw here. So it will be something like 5 and 5. Excellent. Okay, so question 3 to 6, we have to use the grid paper to show two different rectangles with the given perimeter, and then we have to find the area just like we did on previous page. We have to draw two rectangles with same perimeter, but we have to calculate the area, and then we have to circle which rectangle is having the greater area. You have to use a grid paper like this. You can take out a paper from your math notebook and then you can staple it with your book on today's lesson, or you can do it in your copybook. Okay, so here I have my grid paper and I'm going to solve question 3 for you. I have to draw two rectangles with 16 feet perimeter. The perimeter should be same. So let's draw the first rectangle. You can draw it in any way, but the perimeter should be 16 feet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shade one 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 columns and 3 rows. So here I have my first rectangle. So how many units I have in one row? Excellent, 5. And how many units or the boxes I have in one column? Very good, 3. Now let's draw another rectangle with same perimeter. So this time I'm going to shade 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 columns with 2 rows. So this is my second rectangle. So how many squares or units I have in each row? Excellent, 6. And how many in each column? Very good, 2. Okay, so let's find the perimeter of both rectangles and then we will find the area. So let's start right there. So quickly tell me how we can find the perimeter. Excellent, by adding all the sides. If this side is 5, so this side will be very good, 5. If this side is 3, so this side will be excellent, 3. Now quickly add all the sides and tell me the sum. Excellent, it is 16 feet. Very good. Now we have to find perimeter of the second rectangle. So this side will be excellent, 2 feet, and this side will be very good, 6 feet. Now let's add to find the perimeter. 2 plus 6, excellent. 8 plus 2, very good. And 10 plus 6, excellent, 16 feet. So now we have two rectangles with same perimeter, and now we have to find the area. So quickly tell me, what is the area of first rectangle? A represents area. Very good. 5 times 3. So it is equal to, excellent, 15 square feet. Very good. Okay, now the area of second rectangle. Excellent, 6 times 2. So it will be equal to, very good, 12 square feet. Excellent. Now we have to circle the greater area according to the problem. So shape A and shape B, which one is having the greater area? Quickly. Excellent, shape A. So we will circle the greater area. So question 7 to 10 are exactly same like we did for question 3. So use grid paper or use your math notebook to make two rectangles or two shapes with same given perimeters. Okay, so question 11 to 14 are same. What's given to us? That describe a different rectangle with same perimeter as shown. Tell which rectangle has a greater area. Now let's solve question 11. So what are the dimensions given to us? Excellent. 5 inches and 4 inches. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? Now you know how to find perimeter. So quickly tell me. Add all the sides and we will write the sum. Excellent. It is 18 inches. Very good. And what is the area for this rectangle? Excellent. It's very good. 5 times 4, which is 20 square inches. Now we have to draw another rectangle with same perimeter like this. So here I have mine. You can draw any rectangle, means you can choose any number of squares per row or per column, but the perimeter must be 18. So let's find perimeter for this blue rectangle. Excellent. It is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3. Excellent. 15 and 15 plus 3 again. 18. Very good. So it's 18 inches. And what is the area? Excellent. 18 square inches. 6 times 3 is 18. Now which we have to circle the bigger area, the greatest area. So the purple or the blue, which rectangle have the bigger area? Excellent. The purple one, which is 20. Okay, so here you have assessment for today's lesson. Choose all of the statements that are true about figures at the right. So at the right you have 2 rectangles and you have to check the statements which are true. So the first one is they have same side lengths. Second, they have different side lengths. Third, they have the same perimeter. And fourth, they have a different area. So find the perimeter for both shapes, write it on the side, and then just check the statements that are true. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you learned the concepts and you enjoyed the lesson. So this was the last lesson for this book. We have finished our grade 3 math book. So keep revising the concepts you have learned during the year and take care, stay safe.